Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, February 5th, 2018. Alright, so what's going on? As I am doing this video blog, stocks are down again across the board, significantly. However, bonds are stabilizing for now. For now. We have to keep an eye on this. Let's back up just a moment. I don't know how many of you out here follow me on my other social networks, but I wrote a couple of articles yesterday pertaining to what was going on at that time, yesterday, with regard to cryptocurrencies. They were melting down across the board. Pretty much all the major ones were down. This is following through today as well. Now, I had said in the article I wrote yesterday, I said, this is a sign that may be bad for stocks, and boom, look at what's going on here. Some kind of a deleveraging is occurring. However, again, you and I understand this is the key. This is the key to where stocks are going to go, and probably everything else as well. So, once again, you know exactly what to do. The dollar is stronger right now, and despite that, gold and silver are higher. You know the price action is not real. They'll probably push it down later today. I'm just bringing that out here. So what am I doing today? Nothing. As of right now, I have no open trades. I want to see what this market's going to do. This is what I believe has the potential to happen here. Okay. If bonds stabilize here, and on Friday, I said specifically they had to stop the bleeding. Looks like they're trying to do that right now. If they are successful here in keeping the bond market where it is or bringing these rates down a little bit, stocks will more than likely, in the short run, rebound. So what are we going to do as traders? We're not going to jump on the bandwagon like everyone is doing right now, and they're probably getting hurt. I guarantee you, right at the open, there were a lot of traders who went short this market. And do you know why they did that and why this was such a big mistake? Because they're not watching the bond market. Understand? The bond market is going to tell you and me what we need to do. If they are not successful in keeping the bond market stable, beyond any doubt, we have to get short this market. If they are successful and keep rates where they are, or if they come down, and we see stocks start to turn, we're going to start getting long an index, probably SPY. All of you know I like to trade that. So let's keep our eye on this action here. And again, no matter what happens, no matter what, you and I are going to win. You and I are going to capitalize on this. There's just no doubt about it, but we need to be patient and we need to be smart. Do not follow the crowd. The crowd is invariably wrong. So that's why we don't do what the crowd is doing right now. Like I said, I had friends of mine writing to me this morning, Greg, I'm buying puts against the S&P 500 right at the open. Well, you know, for those of you that did that, you lost money right now. Let me give you a quick update. Well, I got you here. Yeah, look at this. All right, the S&P 500 has recovered somewhat. I mean, it's still down about 0.5%. At the open, it was down about 0.8, 0.85. You don't want to be in that spot. You don't want to be there right now. Let's see what bonds are doing. Bonds are under a little bit of pressure here. A little bit, nothing to shake a stick at. Dollar is up significantly. SLB is up 1.5%. GLD up just fractionally. All right. We're going to keep our eye on this, people, like I said, and I don't care what happens. Whatever does happen, you and I are going to win here. All right, with that said, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to sum all this up at the end of the day. And probably more important than that, for those of you that want to capitalize on this, maybe, if the bond market starts to sell off here, I will be shorting the S&P 500, and I will post it all over my social networks as I usually do. If that does not happen, I'm probably going to sit back and just watch this action, let them all do what they have to do, and pick the right spot. It's just so important. All right, with that said, I'll see you at the end of the day. Over and out.